The gateway to your home is the garage entryway, and when you need a new garage door, you will want your questions answered. What door designs best fit your home's appearance? What fits your needs best? What does it take to maintain your garage door to keep it in tip-top shape? Whether you need to purchase a garage door or simply need repairs or maintenance, the fully trained technicians from Mile High Garage Door Repair are ready to take your call and serve you today. Customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. If your door can be repaired, why replace it? We will assist you with your garage door questions in a clear, concise manner. Same-day service in the Denver metro area is available. Call us today for an on-site inspection or to answer any questions at 723-332-3267. Keep the gateway to your home looking great and in good working order. See our website at milehighgaragedoorrepair.com or call us now on our direct line at 720-330-3267.